Still in news, the Office of the Attorney General has requested to take over a case involving a lawyer and 4 others accused of allegedly falsifying a will. A principal state attorney, Dominic Bakuma, told the Circuit Court in Achimota on Thursday, February 6, that the AG's decision follows a petition in relation to the matter and has decided to take over prosecution from the police. The principal state attorney therefore asked to be furnished with the proceedings of the court in order to update the prosecution on proceedings so far.
The first accused, Joseph Kwaw Adosam, a 52-year-old private legal practitioner, together with Alhaji Salia Abdulai, said to be the chief of Banda in Accra, and 3 brothers, namely Abdul Salia, popularly known as Abdulai Salia Jr., Abubakar Salia, and Said Salia, were August last year charged with conspiracy, forgery, altering official documents, and perjury. 2 of the brothers and Abubakar Salia were at large at the time the police prosecutors filed the case at the Achimota Circuit Court. In October 2024, the police prosecution informed the court that the charge sheet had been amended, dropping charges against the siblings. The complainant, who was not happy with the decision, petitioned the Office of the Attorney General on October 30th, 2024. The facts of the case, as narrated by the prosecution, led by Assistant Superintendent of Police Isaac Babai, said the complainant, Idris Salia, is a businessman. The court held that one Alhaji Salia Abdulai, who is deceased, was the father of the complainant, the 3 accused siblings, and 13 others. ASP Isaac Babai said, after the death of Alhaji Salia Abdulai on June 23, 2021, a will surfaced purported to be the last will of the late Alhaji Salia Abdulai. The prosecutor said the same had been deposited at the registry of the High Court, Probate Division, since May 2024. ASP Babai said the will was witnessed by 2 witnesses, Tony Kenyan Foley, deceased, and 1 Alhaji Baba. The prosecutor said Idris Salia became suspicious after obtaining a copy of the said will and conducted his private checks and found out that his late father, Alhaji Salia Abdulai, and the late Tony Kenyan Foley's signatures on the said will had been forged, causing him to petition the Director General of the Criminal Investigation Directorate of the Ghana Police Service for investigation. The prosecutor said a certified true copy of the said will was obtained from the Registrar, High Court Probate Division, adding that the police also obtained from the Regional Police Headquarters, CID, a copy of the statement of the late Tony Kenyan Foley prior to his passing. Investigation was extended to the Ecobank, GCB Bank, and the Registrar General's Department, where signature samples of the late Alhaji Salia Abdulai were obtained. Both undisputed signature samples of the late Alhaji Salia Abdulai and the late Tony Kenyan Foley, together with the disputed signature samples on the purported will, were sent to the Controller General, Ghana Immigration Service Forensic Department, and Spotlight Security Solution for forensic examination. Investigations revealed that the disputed signatures on the purported will and probate form, Judicial Form 35, were not authored by the named persons. It was then revealed that Joseph Kwaw Adosam, a 52-year-old private legal practitioner, conspired with his co-defendants to prepare the forged will of the late Alhaji Salia Abdulai, with the second accused, Alhaji Salia Abdulai, signing a witness to seem as though it was a true last will of the late Alhaji Salia Abdulai. Upon preparation of the said will, the prosecutor said they presented the same at the High Court Registry together with a probate form. ASP Babai said on November 8, 2021, 3 of the accused persons applied to the High Court 2 Accra for a grant of probate based on the forged will, adding that the complainant was suspicious of the will and petitioned the police, leading to their arrest. In view of the takeover by the AG, the presiding judge, Akosia Nochiwai Japan, has given the state attorney up to March 11, 2025 to study the docket and file all necessary documents needed for the trial before the next adjourned date. Meanwhile, 2 of the accused siblings, Abdulai Salia Jr. and Abubakar Salia are still on the run.